would love to invite anyone who's curious to have a deeper connection to themselves, to their sort of physical being, and to their language, their way of expressing themselves. My invitation is to anyone who wants to sort of go on exploration, to explore also the richness of experience that they hold. I'm very much convinced, and in my work I get more and more convinced with any new meeting I have, how much each person, how extreme rich our experiences are, and that the possibility also of sharing these experiences or putting them into words that can be shared with others, it's extremely valuable for ourselves and for the world, and for the possibility of being together. So like this possibility of connecting more to ourselves, connecting more to others, and finding a sort of authentic, I don't know what authentic is, maybe a word that is, it's a bit, it's not the right word, but somehow an authentic way of being with ourselves and being with each other. This is the kind of space that I want to open for in my work, through sessions and through workshops, and this is what I want to invite to come and explore.